guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'm not showing to you how to bypass, but bypass iPhone. It's literally stuck on the FRP file, or you can use the Apple Tech 752 or the Pro Bangla. You can search on YouTube, but on this video I will show you the how to add in 3D object on your video using 3D camera tracker with the software is Adobe After Effects. I use Adobe After Effects CS6, the newer version. Make my laptop crash. I have not requirement system. This is very low requirement, but the laptop have some good processor in here. This Core i7. Okay, I just made this video. It took to me only 15 minutes to make this video. You can see it's coming up 3D object on my front of my body. It's like literally coming out from my iPhone. I just click and the 3D object is coming up from my iPhone. It's the requirement is you must make a video with the camera is moving around you or strike, but the camera must moving, and so we can use the 3D object place like this. Another feature from the Adobe After Effects is like a track motion. I just use from my last video when I make a material for my class and I share on YouTube and I share to classroom. When I got the pandemic, the COVID-19, I use classroom for my study. Okay, this will become an opening for my college student content. I will upload what they do when this pandemic is coming on, and they created the beautiful content, the good content. I will appreciate them with some knowledge how to make this in this on my YouTube channel, maybe, or when I made with them. So I just made this video on my campus, Cydia University, and this become a opening for them. I use After Effects. Even my base is a physical education department, but I don't have a little heart to learn something out from my discipline, out my discipline as a physical education department, because the technology needed, very needed right now. You must know the knowledge how to operate the software, operate the application, and you can use it with this, or they call the new normal. I think it's completely changed our habit, even on educational process, using the webinar or something else. Educational process using Classroom, from Google, or using Edmodo, or using on my university we have a virtual class to usable by a lecturer and a college student. So this what I make using 3D camera tracker, using After Effects to make some good 3D object flying on the air and coming out from my iPhone. It's like a blockbuster movie, maybe. It's just it. On this video I just made some 3D camera tracker object like this, and maybe I will share. I just record how to make this, but I need to I need to edit again. I need the editing process because the large and long the video duration. Okay, I think I have a message for you all. If you think you can, it must be you can. Just think that you can. It means I start to learn all the technology outside my basic physical education, but not make me down or make it's like completely disparate how to learn how to operate the technology like this. But maybe I can support it all that some other guys, some ordinary guys with limitation can learn something when we have good willing to do, good willing to learn, good willing to learn every second, every time. When you face the problem, you solve it and keep moving it. That's my message for you all. This as a opening video to my tutorial. The tutorial will come to the next video. I'm sorry, on the beginning of the video I say this that I will show you how to make a 3D object coming on your video using Adobe After Effects. Okay, I think that's enough for me, and God bless you all. Keep it safe, stay safe, and take care of your body and your neighborhood. Okay, I think that's finished. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.